Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we will learn a new Odoo Studio hack, and the business case I am going to cover is uniquely defined a customer unique ID and vendor unique ID without any custom app but using Odoo Studio and automation rule. So I am on my Odoo Online testing branch or instance, and then let's start. I have prepared a step-by-step document also where we will see how a unique customer ID and vendor ID will be created by following all these steps. So first step is we will create a custom fields, Studio customer ID and vendor ID, a character field on our contact form. So here I don't have contact form, but similar form will be available in customers. So if I go to customer and I will visit studio, I can drag and drop and create a new character field, and I will simply give it a name like customer ID, that is first field, and second field I will create vendor ID. So I am creating label for these two fields over here, and once it is saved, then once I go back and enable our developer mode over here, we will see the ID, the exact technical name, X Studio customer ID, X Studio vendor ID. And now I want to make it read only for end user, so they cannot add any manual ID, but it should be auto generated from sequences. That is our objective. So every new customer, every new vendor will carry a unique ID which we will define in a sequence, which will come over here with automation rule. So I will make it read only both the field, and then I would also like to make it conditionally visible, and the condition is like we want to set like it should be invisible when customer rank and supplier rank is not equal to 1, because this is the one thing which will keep the separation of customer and vendor and this field's visibility. So first in customer rank I will say it is not equal to 1. So that's what I will write over here, and then in vendor I will put supplier rank which is not equal to 1. So Odoo itself is identifying the uniqueness of the creation of customer and vendor from the sales menu, from order menu and from purchase menu, and then it identified how it will show that this is a customer and this is a vendor. So over here when I go to purchase and my vendor form, if I go here, if I create new, you can see a vendor ID is visible. So that is how it is conditionally visible according to the supplier rank or customer rank based on the Odoo's default field. Now this is set, we will go to the next step. That is, we will create two new sequences, customer sequence and vendor sequence. So I will go to our technical menu over here where we will find the sequences. So sequences will be somewhere here. We will go and find sequences, and over here we will create two new sequences. I will give customer sequence as a name, and I will give unique code. That code we will use in automation action. So I will use customer.sequence, and then I will give a prefix like customer slash, then I would like to keep 5, next number will be 1. The same way I will just duplicate and name it vendor sequence and uniquely identify this as vendor.sequence, and the prefix is vendor. So these two new sequences are created. You can see customer and vendor with this, and the name of that is vendor.sequence and customer.sequence. Once it is set, Now we will do our third step to create the automated actions. So automated actions we will write over here in automation rules. I will write a new rule like add customer sequence, and I will use model is contact. Over here the trigger is I would like to give this based on the newly created form. The condition which I would like to put is like the rule where customer rank is greater than 0, and then the second is where this customer sequence is not set. So this is my precondition, and then I will write a sequence generation for customer code, and then this code I will use over here in execute code. I will write it here, and I will verify customer rank is greater than 0, record like x.studio customer ID which we have created, and that we will write it based on the customer.sequence field. So this add customer sequence is created. Now we will create new add vendor sequence, and then model will be same contact. We will be using the trigger is on creation, and the domain this time will be the supplier rank is greater than 0, and second rank is where this vendor ID is not set. This is my precondition, and then I would like to set an action add vendor sequence, and then execute code. I will use this particular Python script which is there, and then this is it. We are done. We are refreshing. I am going into sales, then customer. If I am creating any new customer like new customer 1, and then I save, it will automatically create a new customer ID according to our sequence. If I create a new customer again with anything in terms of address and all, I save, it will create automatically a new customer ID, a unique ID. Likewise, if I go to purchase and vendors menu, I will create new vendor 2 with any country, anything, and I save, it will create a new vendor ID immediately. Then any new vendor, whatever I am creating as a new vendor, it will auto generate the unique vendor ID over here. Then if you want to use that ID over here, you can simply use this vendor ID over here to make it visible in the list view. Likewise, if you want your customer's unique ID to appear over here, you can go to Studio and add existing field, and you will simply say a customer ID. I would like to show it over here. So this is how it is very easy to use Odoo with automation with new sequence to create a unique customer ID and vendor ID fields, and you can create it seamlessly for all new customer like this. If you have any question, do reach out to us at techvidya.com or my YouTube or LinkedIn channel. Have a good day. Bye.